Hello everyone, I'm back with homework number 6 from the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi lesson number 6 with Paul McWhorter. And the homework was to continue the binary and add a 5th light. As you can see, I got my 5 lights going on here. It's about to start over, so let's wait for it to count to 31. Alright, let me go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 31. All right, there it goes. So it counts to 31, as you can see. And let's go ahead and review the code. One moment, please. All right, so this is the end of my code. This is a long one. I have commented each one. All right, let's give it a bit of an explanation. For all of those of you who have watched Paul McWhorter's stuff, you know that binary starts with either on or off switches. So it's either an on or off state, the 1 or a 0. Number 1, we have everything off except for one light. I have written number 10 as my ending light. So pin number 10 is gonna be, hold on, give me a pointing stick. All right, cool. Number 10 is gonna be this very end light here, right? So I'm lazy, and so I'm going to go back up and explain the reason why 10 is the ending light, but because I wrote this code before, and the previous homework was to do only 4 lights, instead of going back and changing everything to make it go down in order, I decided to make number 9 my 5th light, which is 5th in series. So it's kind of out of order, but I didn't mind that, because my number 5th light is this one at the very end, and you can see I wired it all the way over there at the 9th pin, because I didn't want to confuse myself. It might be a little confusing that way, but at least it's color coded, so number 9 is orange. So continuing on, you know, we got this on for 1, and you have to turn it off, and then turn the next one on. That's the idea. So this one turns off, the next one turns on, and then I want to have both on, so since the other one is already on, I don't have to turn it off. All I have to do is turn the next one on. I applied this principle, and I'm going to let you know I copy and paste a ton, and then just change it to the comments. For example, as soon as I hit right here, when we go from 15 to 16, I turn everything off, then turn one on. Well, I already have, in my code, I know how to get this right here, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. I added a new light. I basically just copied and pasted the original first here. So look at this, right? Digital write 10 high and delay. So since everything's already off, all I have to do is turn this one on, and this one's going to stay on. So if I go all the way back up, right, to my first, right here, my first input for 1, it kind of looks like this. And then this is separate. This goes to number 2. But so all I did was copy and paste this with this comment, go down here, go down between number 15 and number 16, and then you paste, right? Everything turns off, and one goes on. For this one, and then for number 17, this is exactly the same as my number 1, because you see, number 1, it's just this is just going to stay on. Number 9, because this is pen 9, because I'm crazy and I decided to make this here. This just is gonna, number 9 is going to stay on, and the rest are already off, so all I have to do is start on the next one. Oh look, well this is a repeat pattern from before. All I have to do is turn off this one right here, and then turn on this one. So I turned off this pin number 10, and I turn on pin number 11. And I basically copy and paste the rest of it. That's basically what happened, is everything else was copy and pasted, because up until that point, the only difference was this pin number 9 that I added to the left. And of course I'm crazy, and I made 9 before 13, because this is 13, 12, 11, 10, but now it's 9, 13, 12, 11, 10. You know, because, well, I don't know if that makes sense. I hope it does. I'm not going to give it much more explanation than that. But anyways, as you can see, it works. It is functioning, as you saw in the beginning. That's all for now. Thank you. Goodbye.